recipe is all about spoiling the one you love. And what is a great way to tell someone you love them? By feeding them delicious food. Fact. What's even better is if you can feed them whilst they're in bed. It sounded very, basically, breakfast in bed. What is one of your favourite meals? Mine, personally, is Eggs Benedict. And I'm going to show you how to bring it together today, heroing the fact that we're going to make our own hollandaise sauce. Shall we get cracking? All right then, let's go. Let's start off with our eggs. So we're going to take 2 eggs, but just the yolks. We are going to pop our yolks into a bain-marie. Yeah, if you've been on this channel for a while, you definitely know what a bain-marie is. A pot of water with about 1 inch or 2 of water in, and a heat-proof bowl suspended above it. This means that the bowl will not be in contact with the water, and it's a gentle kind of heat that's going to heat it through. So your 2 yolks are going to go into your bowl. Now, in another pan on a low heat, we're going to add in a block of butter. Don't be scared, melt it down. When you're making hollandaise, the absolute key is to keep it moving. So you want to grab yourself either an electric whisk, because I'm going to cheat, or using a hand whisk is going to work perfectly fine. Actually, that's what I normally do with it, but I'm going to whip up our yolks, and you want to get them nice and light and fluffy. They're going to change colour a little bit, so you want to get them a bit more creamy coloured. To this, we're going to add a splash of vinegar. I use white wine vinegar. You can use cider vinegar, but go for a clear vinegar rather than a red vinegar. And very quickly, you're going to notice that it goes very pale. Now we're going to start adding in our butter. Now this is crucial. Pour in your butter super slowly.
Now the hardest thing about hollandaise is temperature control. If you overheat it, you can risk scrambling your hollandaise sauce. So keep an ice cube readily available that you can pop into the mixture if you start to see it split. This can quite often save your hollandaise. Once all of the butter is incorporated, you should have a lovely, smooth, thickened sauce. If you want to loosen it, just add in some white wine vinegar until it's the right consistency.
And then assemble! Eggs Benedict, assemble! For our bit of bacon, we're going to poach our eggs. If you want to know how to poach the perfect egg, click this video up here. And we're going to toast off a lovely bit of sourdough bread. Look at the result, and it looks spectacular, and it's going to taste phenomenal. Or at least I should probably give it a try to make sure. Oh my god, which one do I want to go for? It's luxurious. There's a bit of acidity coming through it that just complements that beautiful, rich yolk. Give it a try, don't be scared. It's a tricky one, but you can do it. Together we can make this happen. If you like this recipe, guys, make sure you subscribe. I'm here every single Tuesday. And if you have cooked it, I want to see. So send it to me at the Katie.Pix, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You know the drill. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye! Oh my God. Lunch is served.